Welcome everybody, and we're back in the kitchen today because we're going to be making Lebkuchen. I think I've pronounced that right. Let me know if you speak German and I've mangled your language. But anyway, it just means gingerbread in English. You can buy these in the shop. I usually get them every year and they're tasty as anything. But today we're going to be making them from scratch and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. We need a lot of ingredients and probably a lot of time to make them. So we better get cracking and I'll let you say it. That's right, it is jingle time. So we're going to need a lot of stuff. We're going to need some runny honey. I've got clear honey, I think that's the same. Your mixed spice, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, some ginger, some nutmeg, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, plain flour, 1 orange, some butter, and last but not least, some get out the way flour, some chocolate. Wow, let's get mixing. So you take a saucepan, put the ring on, and in there you want to add 85 grams of butter, and then you want 200 grams of honey. Oh, so sticky. I wonder how many bees made this. Want it on a low heat as well, so. Oh. Why is it so sticky? Is that everything? Oh, it sticks to the bowl a lot, doesn't it? You can lick the spoon if you want, but you might feel slightly sick. Give it a stir until all the butter's melted. So when it's all melted, look, you've got to put that in the fridge for 5 minutes to let it cool, and then do something else for 5 minutes, like I don't know, scroll through social media like the young'uns do nowadays, just to waste time. And then we'll be back in 5 minutes. So while your butter and honey is cooling, we can put all the other ingredients in the bowl. 200 grams of plain flour in there. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 spoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, smell of Christmas. 1 teaspoon of ginger, but my spoon doesn't fit in the bloody jar. Thank you, Tesco. Oh, just about. Okay, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and a 1/2 spoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg. A pinch of salt, that'll do. And then we have the une orange, zest of an orange. The recipe also calls for ground almonds, but I saw the price and quickly backed away. They're like gold dust. I'm surprised they haven't put them in a, you know, one of them plastic boxes that they put chocolate bars in nowadays. Get all that zest in there. put the lemon. Now we put the orange juice in. Look at that. Look at all that pulp. Let me know in the comments, do you like pulp or no pulp? So now you want your honey and butter mixture, and we're going to mix that into there. So we want to maybe create a well, maybe, and then you pour your, look at that, right into there. Oh, look at that bicarb making it froth. So I've got the dough, but it's still a bit wet. Is it supposed to be that wet? Because it's on about shaping it, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to shape it. It says with damp hands, roll it into balls, but right. So what I'm going to do is just drop it onto the baking pan like little balls, and hopefully it works. I did want them to be, because I've got the old star shape cutter. That'd have been very Christmassy, wouldn't it? But right, so I've put them on the baking tray. Look, looks like a dog protest, but hopefully they come out all right. I might even be able to cut them once they're baked. So we'll see. I'm going to put them in the oven now on 180 Celsius. I think it's fan assisted. I'm not sure. I can hear a fan, but is it assisting or is it just making a racket? And we'll see what they look like when they come out. I think they're done. Look, they look a bit weird. Firm to the touch they should be. So I'm going to get the wire rack, I'm going to transfer them on that to cool down, and then I'll show you the final step to making your lovely German Christmas biscuits. Oh, right, I've learnt something. When I was doing the second batch, the mixture had stiffened up a bit, so if you let it stand for a bit, it's easier to mould into shape rather than looking like this. So hopefully the second batch will look a little bit better. But while they're doing, we're going to prepare the topping. Now you can put ice and sugar on them. I suppose you can do what you want really. You can fully dip them in chocolate, but I might just drizzle a bit of chocolate on them. We'll see how it goes. So I've got some milk chocolate here. Well, they call it chocolate, but most things can't even be called chocolate anymore because they don't contain enough cocoa. I'm going to do it in a jug. I'm doing it in a jug because it's got a spout, so then I can pour it and drizzle it better over the biscuits. Right, so no, I'm going to resist eating a square, and then we're going to whack this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt it, because I can't be asked to do a bain-marie. So there we have it, look, chocolate. It's not really, right, so we're going to have to try, get a bit on the spoon and then drizzle it on here. Is it going to work? Oh, it's not gone how I wanted it. It's not worked, has it, at all? That looks even more like a dog protest. Maybe I could, no, it's not worked very well, but why is it just lumped in one place? Maybe if I just spread it on the one end of the biscuit, like that. Or I could coat it. Let me coat it instead. Oh, isn't this fun? So there we have it, look, all coated in chocolate because the drizzling didn't really work, did it? But I'm going to put these in the fridge now so the chocolate can set, and then we're going to taste them. Oh, I can't wait. Here they are, look. Let's try it. Oh, chocolate hasn't quite set yet, but can't wait. I can't wait. Oh. Wow. The chocolate stuck to the roof of my mouth, but oh, there are so many flavours. Can't really taste the orange, but I'm getting the nutmeg and the ginger. What else did I put in? I can't remember now, but look at how airy and fluffy that is from the bicarb. Oh, they are fantastic. Oh, wow. Just like the shop bought ones. There we have it. That is the final video of this year. Wow. We've got the wrap up to do. But that's it for the kitchen stuff and adventures. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you tried it yourself. Let me know how you get on. They didn't really look that appetizing, but they tasted amazing. So all that's left for me to say is have yourself a wonderful Christmas, no matter what you're doing. If you're alone, don't worry too much about it, because hey, you get to do what you want and don't have to put up with those family members you don't really like. And I'll see you all for the wrap up of the year as we head into 2026. Oh, I've got so much planned. Anyway, take care of yourselves, stay safe out there. Cheery bye.